Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the MAYIBOX foldable and portable shoe storage cabinet. This clever organizer sets up in just minutes without needing any extra tools or complex hardware. The reinforced frame uses thickened panels to safely support up to 130 pounds. It features clear magnetic doors that make finding your favorite sneakers both quick and very easy. You can also store handbags, books, or accessories to keep your entire closet looking perfectly organized. This massive 6-tier unit fits 24 pairs of shoes, including bulkier high-top sneakers. Upgrade your home today with this durable and modern storage solution for any small living room. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.